of an artillery concentration by these guns as a tribute to mighty gunners and the thunder of the guns.
Hello everyone, welcome back to IF News channel, and today we have very important update, which is Indian Air Force successfully test fires Mika missile from Sukhoi 30 MKI platforms. This is a huge breakthrough, guys. I will tell you why, and before that, kindly subscribe to my channel IF News and kindly help us grow our community. And listen what has really happened and why this is a big news, guys. Amid the standoff between India and China at the line of actual control, the Indian Air Force has successfully test fired a secret mission, which was to test fire air-to-air missile that have recently been acquired from France and Russia from a frontline fighter jet Sukhoi 30 MKI off the Odisha coast. As per these defense sources, anti-air multi-target MICA missiles fired from Sukhoi 30 MKI for the first time successfully destroying the aerial target, which was demonstrating its stealth capabilities. So the mission was accomplished very easily with our newly integrated missile from our Sukhoi 30 MKI platform. The news doesn't stop there because it has a lot of good news, guys. IIF test fired 2 rounds of beyond visual range BVR air-to-air missile MICA from our frontline fighter jet Sukhoi 30 MKI, and these are the missiles which will also be included in our Rafale fleet. So coming back to our main topic, what has happened with the test? Indian Air Force successfully test fired 2 rounds of beyond visual range BVR air-to-air missile MICA missile from our Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter jets. Fighter aircraft took off from Kaligunda Air Base in West Bengal and fired the missile, successfully neutralizing the aerial target drone mimicking enemy aircraft at low altitude. All missions parameters have been met as the target was destroyed, validating the missile's launch envelope. The missile will equip both Sukhois and Rafale fighter jets. This was a statement from defense official. Acquired from France, MICA is an all-weather missile system available in both short and medium range. Fire and forgot missile can be used both by air platform as well as ground units and ships. The 3.1 meter long missile have a diameter of around 0.16 meter, weighs around 112 kg. It can neutralize targets within range of 500 meters to 60 kilometers. So, of its 2 variants, guided by radio frequency and infrared, MICA RF, which is the radio frequency, as an active radar homing seeker, and MICA IR, which has an imaging infrared homing seeker. Both seekers are designed to filter out countermeasures. Last week, the Indian Air Force has conducted 2 rounds of tests of Russian-made R-77 air-to-air missile acquired from Russia. So basically, Indian Air Force is testing out different kind of strategy and different kind of missiles, both from Russia and also from the France. R-77 artillery missile is capable of taking down any targets, both tactical and strategic, and from hovering helicopters to high speed at different altitudes. The medium range artillery guided missile R-77 is about 3.6 meters in length and 200 in diameter. It weighs around 175 kg. It has an operational range of over 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers. So basically, Indian Air Force is looking at this combination, which is R-77 with a Mika artillery missiles. So this will give Indian Air Force the much needed boost, the much needed upper hand while dealing with Pakistan or China. Both the missions were conducted by Indian Air Force while the DRDO provided the logistic support. After the successful trial of Dhruvastra last month, the twin mission during the COVID-19 pandemic proved the readiness of the test range is very, very good. So the IAF is in the process of upgrading its squadrons. It is also in process of procuring Meteor missile from European weapon maker MBDA. Rafale will be equipped with Mika and Meteor. So as far as Sukhoi 30 MKI is concerned, this is the combination we are looking at. R-77 for longer range BVR and Mika missile for within visual range. It also can be called as the beyond visual range because its maximum range is around 60 kilometers. So this is a very much a welcome move by the Indian Air Force, and I'm sure India is looking for something much needed power which is required to deal with both China and Pakistan at the same time. So now Indian frontline fighter jets Sukhoi 30 MKI is about to get a different kind of envelope, which is Mika. And also we should also thank our French counterpart because earlier it was not possible because they don't want to integrate their European missile with the Russian platforms. It has lot of India was asking for it for a very long time, but now at least now because India will operate these missile systems with the Rafale fighter jets. So it's a good gesture by our French counterpart because they have made it happen today for India, because Indian frontline fighter jet will have much potent Mika system, which is considered as one of the best in the world as far as within visual range is concerned. So now India also have this advantage of using similar platform, artillery missile platform, both in frontline fighter Sukhoi 30 MKI and also with the Rafales, and also we have Mirages, also Mirage 2000. So this is what I consider as a major boost and a much needed change which India needed, but now we are getting it all thanks to our proactive government also, because they have made it possible. They have went through this thought process, and there should be a hell lot of diplomatic moves which has to be made, and I'm sure they have made it very well, because today we have Mika, which is ready to be integrated into a Russian platform which was imported by India. But these Sukhoi 30 MKI forms the frontline defense and offense of our Indian Air Force and for our country as well. So this is a major move, and hope this video help you all to understand this particular topic. So kindly subscribe to IFE News, and we will be back with another great news once again regarding India and our strategic front, and much needed good news, because it's a COVID time. Hope you all are safe and sound. So thank you all to listening to IFA News channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us grow our community, IFA News community, even further. Let's all say happily and proudly that we are Indian forever. Thank you. Jai Hind.